Have your VLC settings become confusing, or maybe playback started behaving strangely after changing a few options? Resetting VLC can give you a clean starting point. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset VLC Media Player settings safely and what to expect afterward. First, open VLC Media Player. From the top menu, select Tools, then choose Preferences. This is where VLC stores many of its playback, audio, video, subtitle, and interface settings. Inside the Preferences window, look near the bottom for the Reset Preferences button. This option returns VLC's preferences to their default values, so before you continue, remember that customized settings may be removed. Click Reset Preferences. VLC will ask you to confirm the action. Select the confirmation option to continue. This resets VLC's configuration rather than deleting your personal video, music, or other media files. Yeah, your media library and files are separate from these preferences. After resetting the preferences, close VLC completely and open it again. Restarting makes sure VLC loads its default configuration instead of continuing with the old settings. Now play a video or audio file and check whether the problem you were having is gone. Test the volume, playback controls, subtitles, video output, and any other feature that was giving you trouble. If everything works normally, the reset has done its job. Keep in mind, resetting also removes many personal preferences. If you previously changed subtitle fonts, interface options, hotkeys, audio settings, or video preferences, you'll need to configure them again. I mean, only change the settings you actually need. If VLC won't open properly, the normal preferences menu may not be available. In that situation, you may need to reset VLC's configuration files using the operating system's file system. The exact location depends on your operating system and VLC version, and that's how you reset VLC Media Player settings. Open Preferences, choose Reset Preferences, confirm the reset, restart VLC, and then test your playback. It's a simple fix that can clear up a lot of confusing VLC settings.